Yeah, here we have a Vectrax 14-inch by 40-inch bench lathe. It's 18-speed, geared head, 2 horsepower, 230 volt, single phase. It appears to be used. It does operate. We're just going to show you. I'm going to power it up for you. All right. There's your manual. And we checked all the speeds on here. All the speed controls work in your forward and reverse. For your longitudinal feed rod. All right, and there's your speeds for your threading. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go down here, turn the machine on and off. All right, so it's forward and reverse. Turn it off. Now this cross feed does operate. Then what we're going to do is we're going to try to turn it on here and try to get it to work here. What's happening here? This rod is only working part time here, as you can see. It stops. Then it moves. So your cross feed, your manual cross feed works, but you can't put it in your automatic mode here. Also, this whole apron is loose, and your longitudinal feed will not operate. This lever right here, usually to put it into gear, is missing. All right. There's your compound slide right here. We made an attempt to put the tool post on the compound slide. It will not go into this slot here. It includes a follow rest, but no steady rest. Tailstock appears to be okay. That moves back and forth. Everything locks down, moves in and out fine. So all your electrical aspects of the machine operate fine, okay, but we do have some mechanical issues with it. There may be some other mechanical issues that we're not aware of. We just need some repairs and some parts. It does have heavy signs of use. There's a lot of metal shavings inside the bedway here and on the drip pan. Some coolant and oil stains. There's some paint scratches. You can see this little corner is dented. Some paint scratches up here and scuffs. It includes a 3-jaw chuck, a 4-jaw chuck, your backing plate, and here's your cabinet stands right here. They show a little bit of wear also. And this is your middle section that is also included. Here's the back of the machine. Motor, all your controls. And it does not include any other accessories. So we thank you for looking at our product.